You can see here that water's leaking out from the faucet handle. When I shut the faucet off, the water stops leaking. What this means is that the rubber washer inside the faucet, located at the end of the valve stem, is in acceptable condition and effectively shuts off the water. The problem is the packing nut. The valve stem is wearing and the water's leaking between the valve stem and the packing nut. This is great news because this is an extremely simple fix and will cost under $1. The first step is to shut off the water supply to the house. I do this by moving the valve to the off position. I then turn the faucet on and then open up the end of the hose to allow the water to drain out of the pipes. All right, that should be enough. Now, using an adjustable wrench or a pair of pliers, I loosen the packing nut. This is the uppermost nut. The really cool thing about this technique is that you don't need to remove the handle. Now, you can if you want, but often that small screw has corroded and won't come off. Unscrew the nut as far as you can. The goal is to create a small space between the bottom of the nut and the base of the faucet. You want just enough room to wrap a strip of Teflon tape around the valve stem. Now take out your 98-cent roll of Teflon tape. You want to break off a strip that's about 18 inches long. Using your fingers, you're going to twist the Teflon tape to create a string. Now, alternatively, you can pay $5 for a package of Teflon packing cord, but why waste your money when Teflon tape works just as well and is 1/5 the price? Now, do you think I should wrap the Teflon string clockwise or counterclockwise around the valve stem? Well, if you guessed clockwise, then you'd be correct. That's if you're looking straight down at the faucet. This way, when you tighten the packing nut clockwise, it will make the Teflon string even tighter and prevent leaking. Now it's time to tighten the packing nut over the Teflon string. Start by tightening it with your hands. Once it's snug, you can use a wrench to get it really tight. If you tighten the nut too tight, the handle won't turn anymore. But not to worry, you just back off on the packing nut a little bit until the faucet turns again. Now I'm going to slowly turn the water main back on. You want to do it slowly to prevent a surge of water pressure into the pipes, which could damage something. Now turn the spigot back on and we'll do the final test. I squeeze the spray nozzle handle on the end of the hose. Water is spraying out, so I have confirmed the water is onto the house. There's no water leaks. I leave for about an hour. When I come back, I'm pleasantly surprised to see the spigot is totally dry. If you found this video helpful, please press the like and subscribe button. It really does help out my channel.